Now it's very normal in all the Android gadgets that you get frozen screen, a glitch that won't make your tablet or your phone function right. But if this ever happened, don't worry, because in this video I will show you a tip. It might help you and save you time going to a shop or warranty. So in this tip I'm going to show you how to fix frozen screen or black screen on your tablet from T-Mobile Revvl 5G. So this is variety to stick to. Make sure to subscribe, encourage me, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Now the problem starts when you have the tablet, screen is frozen, the power key, no matter what you do, does not function. So don't worry, just follow my step and it shouldn't take you more than 15 seconds to get it done. So what you really need to do, you need to go to that power key. It's painted in pink, as you guys can see. So in the Revvl tablet, all you have to do, use the power key, press hold for 10 seconds. Don't let it go. Normally you're gonna see T-Mobile logo coming up on the screen. This is the time where you need to remove your finger from the power key. That because this tablet does not even have removable battery, make things harder to reset or to hard restart the tablet. Doing this will disconnect the battery and reconnect it again automatically, and then if you have a glitch or a problem in that tablet, that should fix it. Let me know if this video helped you. If it did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta